Hello friends and welcome to the second episode of block printing. Let's see how to print using the wooden blocks. You will need carved wooden blocks. They come in different variety with different designs and shapes. Here we have some big blocks that cover large area and are used to print with repeat over the full fabric. So if you have a plain fabric and want to print design all over, these blocks are very useful. Then you have these long blocks which are usually used to print borders. You have to keep printing horizontally to get a repeated border. Then here we have some blocks with booty design. Booty is a traditional word for motifs which are printed all over the fabric but with some gap in between each print. These are one of the most easiest blocks to print with. Dyes or colors for printing. For block printing, we usually use colors which are thick and are in paste form. There are a variety of dyes you can use, but these differ with fabric and technique. Here are some of the essential colors that you will need for this process. Color pigment, a binder or a binding paste, fixer. You can use golden khadi colors or maybe also use acrylic colors if you want that glittery gold look. But acrylic colors usually damage the wood blocks due to its color consistency, and one has to be super careful while using this. I wouldn't recommend them, but then if you want to experiment or are a beginner, then you can give it a try. Other things that you would also need are as follows: a tray or a flat plastic container, thin sponge sheet, a flat wooden thapi, or if you don't have one, then simply use old ATM cards to spread the dye paste. You will also need an old bed sheet to make a thick base for printing. So now that we are ready with the material, let's explore the traditional block printing. Stay tuned to What's Your Hobby?